Heavy news from China's aviation industry. On December 11, 2025, the domestic 9-day heavy unmanned bomber successfully made its maiden flight. This is not only China's first, but also the world's only heavy unmanned bomber. Where is it really strong? Its maximum range is 7,000 kilometers, enough to cover Alaska when it takes off from the northeast. The maximum payload is as high as 6 tons. What's even more amazing is that it can be transformed into a hive in the sky, carrying 200 small drones at one time to perform an overwhelming swarm of aircraft. This makes people ask how their appearance of this all-rounder in the sky will repeat the power of the future Sky 9 days. First, it is reflected in breaking through the performance boundaries of traditional drones. Its 3,500-kilometer combat radius means that it can cover a vast strategic area from the mainland without a forward base. If it is deployed on the eastern coast, its strike range can easily reach the front line of Guam. If it takes off in the northwest, it can cover most of the key areas of Central Asia. This ability to project power at the doorstep greatly enhances strategic flexibility. Its maximum flight altitude can reach 15,000 kilometers, and it can fly calmly above most conventional air defense firepower, significantly enhancing concealment and survivability. And the maximum load of 6 tons is not only the highest record of the current global Chata integrated drone, but also gives it a very strong mission level. He can not only hang on the Eagle 12, supersonic anti-ship missiles and other heavy weapons to perform precision beheading, but also transport a large number of medicines and water purification equipment during disaster relief, becoming an air life infra for emergency support. The core innovation of 9 days lies in its unique modular design. It is like a flying universal platform, which can be quickly changed according to different tasks, and truly realizes 1,000 faces. In wartime, it can carry 200 micro-drones to form intelligent, low-cost, and difficult-to-intercept saturation attacks. Wave spurs carry out devastating strikes on high-value targets, such as enemy command posts, radar warfare, and drug depots. In case of emergency, it can be quickly converted into a heavy transportation platform to deliver 6 tons of emergency supplies to the disaster area at one time. When the road is interrupted, it can also act as a long-term cruise and logistics supply node when executed, or carry an electronic felt module reconnaissance radar to perform tasks such as signal suppression and intelligence collection. This highly flexible sexual advisementness makes it not only a weapon, but also the core node of the future intelligent multifunctional aviation equipment system. Looking at the world, the development competition of heavy unmanned bombers is fierce, but the emergence of 9 days has given China a significant advantage in this track. The US XQ-58A Valkyrie demonstrator